What's going on, vlog? Today I'm going to explain to you how the market works. And when I say the market, I mean the stock market, the Bitcoin market. They pretty much work exactly the same. So it's important to know that when a company wants to issue stocks, what it's called is an IPO, an initial public offering. So say I have my own company and I want to sell 1 million shares. Each one of those shares worth $1. I'm raising $1 million so that my company can invest in new technologies, patents, copyrights, whatever it may be that I need to raise money for. Once I have issued those 1 million stocks out to the public, I no longer control the price of those stocks. The public does. And how does that work? Well, it's the supply and demand concept that we've talked about in previous episodes. If you haven't watched any of these yet, go back and watch them. It'll explain how Bitcoin is used as a currency and the supply and demand economics of it. It's important to understand all of this stuff. Once you understand the supply and demand economics, you'll understand that why the price of a stock goes up. So why would a stock be in demand? Well, some companies, such as Apple, pay out a dividends. And what a dividends is a percentage of the profits the company made. So in a company like Apple, which makes a lot of profits year to year, you want to buy more and more of those shares so that you get paid higher and higher dividends every year. Well, what drives up the demand for Bitcoin? Well, Bitcoin's not like a stock. We don't get paid dividends on it. What we do though is it's used as a currency, and that since there is only a limited supply of that currency, the more and more places that begin to accept it as currency make it higher in demand. The only way that you can get Bitcoin without mining is to buy it from somebody. That is what determines the price of Bitcoin. It may be a little difficult to understand, but it's easy once you understand it. Nothing determines the price of Bitcoin other than the people buying it. The person who is holding it may have a selling price, and as more and more people enter into that market, they're going to want to buy it at that selling price. If more people aren't entering into the market, whoever's selling it may have to lower their price in order to attract a new buyer. That is literally the only thing that drives the price up and down of Bitcoin. What people believe it to be worth when they are buying it or selling it. Today is Monday, December the 11th, so we are teetering on a brand new high. Now let's take a look at this chart. We can see the price action indicated through candles. If you don't know what a candle is, go back and watch the previous episodes to understand how to read a chart. This is literally the price of demand for Bitcoin hour to hour. The prices that were met and the prices of the people buying. If more and more people do not enter into the market, if more and more people do not want Bitcoin, the price isn't going to go up. But more and more people, fresh, brand new buyers who have never been involved in Bitcoin yet, are entering into the market right now, and they don't care what price it is. They will pay at $15,000. They will pay at almost $20,000. Does that mean that the price isn't going to go down? I believe that there's a major correction going to be needed, but we will see. It's literally the public that demands the price of Bitcoin. That's important to remember going forward in the rest of these tutorials. Thanks for watching, everybody. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, thumbs up. And if you could do me a favor, if you have any questions about Bitcoin whatsoever, write them in the comments below and I will try to answer them live on the next vlog that I do. I know that there's a lot of questions coming in to me and I want to just funnel them all into the same place, and hopefully we can read them live out on the next vlog. I appreciate it. Take care, everyone. Talk to you soon.